Kieran. Kieran.
Oh, the tortured artist.
Kieran. Nice green line there, buddy. Oh, goes on the paper. There you go. Good job, Scribble Man. Kieran, these are your first scribbles. We're very proud of you. Orange scribble. That looks like a D. Good job. Yeah, nice work, buddy. Got a little green mustache, too.
Woohoo! I'll do one too. Other side. Beep, beep, beep.
Gotta turn it. What a nice orange line. Good job, buddy.
It's like I'm on a fresh canvas. Fresh canvas. Ah, look at this.
Wow, nice job. It's a good thing they're washable.
Woohoo! Whoa.
You're storing them over there?
That's orange. Are you drunk, Kushka?
Ooh.